Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can see for how long it's going to be the free trial for your Monday.com. So what you want to do is just go right left down corner, and then you're gonna see everything here. So what you want to do is just simply click on my profile or admin, go to admin, and then you're gonna see billing, and then you're gonna see plan details. And now you can see trials left 14. So this is where you can find for how long is the free trial. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And yeah. Goodbye.